Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to bend the objects in Blender. Here you can see I have the cylinder. I bend it in different shapes. You can see I make it C and I can make it different as you want. So here that I will show you in this video how you can do it. Any shape. Okay. Shift A, go to cube. Here is the cube now. So SZ, I make it little thin. SY, more wide, then you can understand more easily. And go to modifier properties, click here and go down, and you need to select the subdivision surface. Click subdivision surface. Now click on the simple and increase the level. Maximum is 6. You can make 6.5 for better result. Render you also can make 6. Okay, now that is done, this modifier. Now again go to another modifier. You need to select simple deform. Here is the simple deform. Click on the simple deform. So you need to click on bend. Here is the bend. So one more thing, you press shift A, go to empty. You can select any one of them that will be invisible. So let me explain you what is the empty. Empty basically used as the reference point of bend of any shape. So you need to make sure the object all x, y, z are 0 and the empty also 0. If your object, for example G, move here, object x, y, z are different, you need to make the same value for the empty. So I move it on the 0 for easy understanding. So if your object is not on 0, you need to make the same value as the object and the empty. Okay, now we go here like this modifier, select object, the modifier, that we select the second deform modifier. So here you need to set the origin. You need to select as empty. This is object, we select this empty. Now empty is the origin. You see there is some bending, but this bending is not exact what we want. So what you need to do for this, you need to select the empty, and here is the rotation. You need to change the, don't change the location, just change the some rotation axis to 90. First you try X, then Y, Z. Oh, okay, we try the X is working well. Now you see the bending is okay. Now we select the object and change the angle of bend. You see as you increase the angle, you see you make it cylinder if you bend 360. So this means the bending is perfect on x-axis. And let me change on z-axis. Here you see z-axis, you change the angle, and if I more change, you can see we make it pipe. So for example, you don't want to bend both sides, you want to bend one side. Here is the restrictions. You go to the restrictions, and 1 is 0, 1 is 1. So the upper is 0, lower is 1. You change the 1, keep other constant. If I change the other value 0.5, you can see, for example I make 0.5, 0.5, the other is constant. Now this is bend. Now you see, now this is the half bend. So if you keep this constant and move other, for example if you make this 0 and change the other one 2.5, 0.5, so you can see here you just move one side, other side is straight. So if you both want to move 50-50, 0.5 and 0.5, is exactly straight, and now maybe yes, you need to change some values. So you can play with it here. So if you want to change or bend any object, you can also do same for cylinder. Another thing that was all about is thanks for watching.